Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to make some US cities bingo cards using software called Bingo Card Printer, which you can download from bingocardprinter.com. This is the initial screen of the software. I click Create New Bingo Card Project. Now I have a choice of what kind of bingo card I would like to create. I can create a blank bingo card, enter my own words, one with alphabet and letters on it, one with numbers, different events like birthdays, bridal showers, baby showers, holidays, which includes Christmas, Halloween, Easter, Valentine's Day and so forth. English, which includes English as a second language, as well as English grammar, and lots of other topics as well, including school subjects like history, math, science, reading, and in this case, geography. So I'm going to click geography, and if I scroll down near the bottom of the list, because they're in alphabetical order, I will find US largest cities here. So what I do is I click on that item and then click OK or double click on it. So there we are. Now on the left hand side here is a list of the US cities. In this case it's the 50 largest cities in the United States of America. I can in fact edit the list if I wanted to. For example, if I wanted to add another city to the list, perhaps let's have a look what's in there. Orlando we might add as a city, I don't know, so I would simply type it in. And if I want to remove a city, I can simply highlight it and delete it. So if I wanted to delete Oklahoma City, I'd click on it and then click delete. You might have noticed that the initial cities list was in alphabetical order. The one that I added is on the bottom. I can resort that to maintain alphabetical order, and there are in fact a whole range of options for manipulating this list of items, adding your own items, customizing it. As well as the list of items, I can also customize the size and appearance of the bingo cards. I can make a smaller bingo card, such as a 3x3 bingo card, 4x4, 5x5, a larger one such as 6x6 or 7x7. Obviously I need to have enough items to actually fill out a bingo card. So in the case of 7x7 I need 49 items, because 7 times 7 is 49, or 48 if there's a free space in the middle. But I'll stick to 5x5 in my demonstration. I can also change the heading here. I can turn it off or on. I can change what the heading might say. Same with the free space, I can turn it off. If I don't want a free space, turn it on. Preview bingo card here has the cities in the same order as on this list, but in the real bingo card, cities will be randomly shuffled around and randomly selected so that every bingo card contains a different arrangement and different combination of cities. As well as the size and text of the bingo card, I can also change the fonts and the colors. So for example, let's make the heading of the bingo card white text on dark blue background, and we'll make the vertical stripes of red and white. So let's make that red with white text and red text on a white background. And the free space square is set separately from the other colour, so we'll make that one blue background with white, so it looks a bit like the heading. And the line colours, I can choose another colour for that. Perhaps I'll also choose red for that. I think I've actually chosen several different reds, because I wasn't very careful. I could obviously, if I wasn't happy with it, I could go back and customise it further. But we'll say this is what the colours I'm happy with for my US Cities bingo cards. I could change the fonts and so forth as well, but I'll leave that as it is for now. Now look at the options relating to printing. These are on the right hand side here. First option is whether or not to print a call list. If I don't want it, I simply uncheck it. If I want it, it will. I need to check it on. What it does is call list is, as well as printing the bingo cards, it tells the software to print an extra sheet or sheets with this list of cities from the left hand side, but in a random order. It's very useful if you're using the bingo cards in a classroom situation. You're the teacher, you need something to refer to with the list of bingo calls that you're going to use. And you need that as a printed item. If you don't want it, you can either select the items yourself, or there is a software option which I'll show you at the end of the video to help you pick items at random during gameplay. But we'll leave it on for my demonstration for now. Second option is how many bingo cards do I want to print. I can put more than one bingo card on a page, and the advantage of that is if I'm printing a lot of bingo cards, I potentially could save paper. I could print the same number of bingo cards on less pages. The disadvantage is each bingo card will be smaller, and if I'm giving bingo cards individually to each player, I would potentially have to cut the paper up. So it's your choice. In my demonstration, I'm going to leave that on 1. And finally, how many bingo cards do I want to print? I can put more or less, as many as I need. So in this example, I'm going to put 50. And now I'm going to say print, or in fact I'm going to say print preview, so you can have a look what the printout would look like on screen. And the first page here is the list of cities in random order. There's actually so many on this list that's actually gone into a second column. Usually you don't have enough items to do that, but of course if necessary it would go into a second column or even a second page. And now if I click next page, you'll see the first bingo card. I'll zoom out so you can see the whole bingo card. And you can see the words, cities are arranged randomly around the bingo card. And if I click next, you'll see the second bingo card is different, and next, and the third one is different, and so forth. So that's how I produce my customized US Cities bingo card very easily and quickly. I will show you one other option before I finish, which is this option to help you call items during gameplay, which is called Call Game. If I do that, what happens is the software will choose one of the items at random, display it on the right hand side, show you the current item on the left hand side. Now when I click next, it will choose a new item at random on the right hand side. On the left hand side, it will show the current item first and the previous item second, and then so forth. When I add a third item, the items scroll down, and fourth, and so forth, and I can call out the items, but I can always refer back to the items that I've previously chosen. Eventually, as you can see, a scroll bar appears. So that's it for my demonstration of US Cities bingo cards. The software is called Bingo Card Printer. You can download it from bingocardprinter.com. There's a free trial version of software which you can download and try out for free. The software is compatible with all recent versions of Windows, and it comes with hundreds of ready-to-use templates to get you started. So go to bingocardprinter.com, download the free trial, try it out, see what you think. Thank you very much.